Countries that can't live without air conditioning. Which country has air conditioning in almost every home? The answer might surprise you. Number 7, USA. 90%. Around 90% of American homes have air conditioning. Number 6, Japan. 91%. Japan reaches 91% thanks to hot, humid summers. Number 5, Bahrain. 97%. Bahrain's desert climate makes air conditioning almost essential. Number 4, Qatar. 98%. In Qatar, nearly every home is air conditioned. Number 3, Kuwait. 98%. Extreme summer temperatures keep ACs running day and night. Number 2, United Arab Emirates. 98%. The UAE relies on air conditioning almost year-round. Number 1, Saudi Arabia. 99%. Saudi Arabia takes the top spot, with air conditioning in virtually every home.